So these are the clothes. Oh, I couldn't find the speaker and it was right here the whole time. Hold on. So it's definitely business hours, so there's going to be people walking around and stuff. Hold on. Okay, so this is the place I scoped out to shoot some clothes. As you can see, it's literally actively raining. It is actively raining. So I'm gonna set up a tripod and I'm gonna try to get pictures of the clothes like right here. All right, so we got the rack up. It's like kind of coming down, but we found an area that didn't have anything. So he's gonna record me trying to get shots of the clothes up here. My ghetto setup. This is my ghetto setup because I didn't want the camera to get hecka wet. So we're gonna see how long it lasts. Okay, and this is the shooting space. All right, now we're gonna I gotta put my camera together. I don't want you guys in my car like that. So come close so it's not by the music. You're gonna be in the rain. I'm gonna hang the clothes here first and try and get as many shots as I can before the rain really starts coming down. And there's like a lot of products to shoot, so. Okay, so, Lord, I come to you humbly. Yes, there's a memory card in there. And it's charged. Okay, boom, now we're praying that there's room on the memory card. So, I wore slides like an idiot, so I might change shoes. I'm hoping to do 2 locations. I'm gonna put the clothes that I hung up on here, and then we're gonna start taking pictures so I can leave before it gets too intense. Don't show the car too much because then I will have to edit it out. You can stay down there. All right, so let's see how it looks. All right, so we're gonna straighten it out. I don't know how it's gonna look on camera. Can you feel the light inside? Can you feel the fire? Can you feel the light inside? Can you feel the fire? I kind of want the bigger ones in the back. This part is so tedious, but if I do it right the first time, I don't have to do it again. And taking the shot would generally be easier because I'll be able to see everything like in the shot. All right. Now, the next possible hurdle is getting a good angle because it's way up here and I'm down here. So I might have to switch out the sweatshirt so I can get pictures of each of them. Hold on. You want to go over here? I think you're trying to stay in the... Oh. And also, I don't want to get the camera. Okay. Okay, you could get me shooting this too up here, like get me on the camera. You know what I'm gonna do? Put this one in front so the bar isn't in the back. Does that look better? With one in the front instead of it behind the bar? Huh? Oh, it's starting to come down for real. Okay, I had to turn it off. My battery's actually dying, and battery is dying, so I have to like hurry up and get shots of stuff. It said it was charged. I thought I was in the clear, y'all. It keeps moving. You see it moving? That's your favorite one? Huh? The Doughboys? These are all yours, so you could probably wear this one today. Okay, I had to turn it off sometimes because the battery. All right, so I need to pick a couple of different, pause it and then start again. So since my battery's dying, let me craft the sweater. I have to pick a couple different t-shirts that I'm gonna shoot so I can get a couple shots of them and just have shots of stuff that I could post. And then go home, charge my battery, and we'll probably come back downtown so I can get the same shots later today. And I have to do that by like 4. Check your phone. Check your phone. Tell me when it's recording. All right, so right now I'm about to switch out the clothes so that I can get a good video. I do not want to deal with copyrights. I'm about to switch out the clothes so I can get a video. I don't know how I'm gonna creatively do it so nothing gets wet, but I'm gonna figure it out. Sticky. I think we should do some green. Are there any more black? Never mind. I don't even want you to stop recording. So we're gonna trade it out for something we already did. I hate taking clothes apart like that, but we're in an intense situation. Green, bow. We already did. Good picture of this one. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop, it's getting sticky in this bitch. Better find a mop. This is like old one that always sells. People like anything that says Sacramento on it. People buy. Sac Proud. Make sure they're not dirty. I don't know if they should be together, if the green is gonna throw it off or not, but I hate pulling the neck. All right, now I gotta fold stuff so it doesn't get wet. I'm gonna hand you some stuff to put on that back seat so it just doesn't get wet. I don't want anything wet because I still have to have people modeling it. So I'm gonna have you pause it in a second so you can put these in the back seat. But that second starts now. I'm about to do one more t-shirt. Well, change these out. And then take pictures of these and then the kids' clothes. What time do you see what time it is on anything? Nope, never mind. I'll check, it's okay. I'm gonna give you one more sweatshirt. Put right behind you. All right. Sticky is sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to attempt to get pictures of everything before my battery dies. And then just swap them out. Please make sure I don't fall. Come on, man. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange the order now. After that, I'll just use that myself because I'm gonna make a TikTok. So I might need your help just taking them off, but other than that, I'm gonna make a quick TikTok of everything and then we'll be cool. I wish he made this part a little bit bigger at the bottom. Pause it and then restart it. Okay, I feel like taking pictures sometimes shows me what I wish could be done different. I wish he made this part just a little bit bigger, so on the orders, this part will probably be a little bit longer. I should have probably steamed everything, but I didn't. I needed to get pictures done. Oh my God, they keep moving. I know. You can pause it. I kind of just want this to show more. It's like... Just so you can see it.